Uncle Tim's. It's all good.
Okay, so I'm headed out to go feed the cows. Looks like it's a nice sunshiny warm day, but it is not warm, I can tell you that. It's nice to have the sunshine out, but it's only 16 degrees right now. The roads are too icy for me to be able to drive, so I'm gonna have to walk over there and put out some hay for the cows. It's gonna be probably about a mile round trip walk, about a half mile over, half mile back. And I've got this steep hill to walk up. Pretty good climb, and then once I get up there, then it's all downhill. See little birds out trying to find something to eat. I don't know if you can, yeah, you can see it. Anyhow, I gotta get up this big hill, walk over there, roll out some hay for them, and check on them. Hopefully they're all okay. I didn't make it over there yesterday, and the roads, like I said, the roads are too icy to drive. I see all kinds of deer tracks coming through here. Snow is crusty on top, so it's not super easy to walk through. There's powder underneath, but the top got a crust to it. All downhill. Woo! Almost downhill fast. On the cow trail now, we're coming up to the pond. Makes it a little easier to walk because they've already broken up the snow for me. So one of the things I was concerned about was the cows being able to get water, because I knew this was going to freeze. You can see it froze pretty good. That some of that ice is probably 2 inches thick, but it looks like they were able to break it and get some water. But with as cold as it's going to get tonight, I'm definitely going to have to come back tomorrow morning and do some chopping to make sure that they can get water. Not looking forward to that, but it is what it is. Well, that's good. They hadn't completely cleaned up the 2 bales I put out for them the other day. So that's good news, but it looks like it's mostly cleaned up, so they're definitely happy to see me. There's the newest one right over there, little bull calf. He's just over a week old, I believe. Oops. My solar charger's probably not getting charged up. That looks a little bad. I'll have to clean that off. That was not easy, but got it out there. And with that bale and what's left of these other two, especially this closer one here, that should get them by for a couple more days. There's 17 head in here, one of which is a baby calf. So this should be enough to get them through a couple of days. Hopefully thaw out here pretty quick and get somebody to come over and help me roll out these bales. Here's a little spot the cows are getting water from. Get some runoff here in this ditch so they're able to get water here. Also not have to make that trek all the way up to the pond. It's a good little piece. Made it back to the top of the hill above my house. So now it's just a short hike downhill back into the house and some warm weather. Actually, I'm pretty warm. This down jacket, my True Work T3 work pants, keeping my legs warm. Although I did add a layer of long johns underneath it today because it's just in the teens. But I don't know if you can see it, but there's ice all in my beard. So it's cold out here. Anyhow, almost back home. Just down this hill. Ooh, it's much easier going down this hill than coming up. You can be talking is building up more ice on my beard. It feels like it's getting stiffer and stiffer. And then that wind isn't helping. There's the pigs all snuggled up in their hay, keeping each other warm. It's gonna be a cold one for them tonight. Having that hay there to insulate them from the ground, and then they rough it up and get it to fall on there and kind of have it hollowed out under those bales. It'll sure help keep them warmer. Oh, that reminds me, I need to go check their water, make sure they can get into the pond. Thought I was home free, but I need to walk over and check on their water. They had been able to break through a little bit of the ice way over there on that edge. I went ahead and broke it up some more for them. I'll definitely have to come do this again tomorrow. That's already 2 inches thick, and we're getting down so cold tonight. That's just going to refreeze, so just have to keep on top of it. Fun times. Finally made it back to the house. This cold weather's hard work. I don't care much for it. Anyhow, thanks for coming along while I went and fed the cows and checked on the pigs. And be sure to stay tuned, and I will see you next time. Bye.